Unleash devastating finesse shots in FC24 and become the striker every defender fears. Alright, let's break down how to consistently score those beautiful finesse shots first. You need to understand the core mechanics. When you're in a shooting situation and your player is facing the goal, you'll be pressing the shoot button, which is B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation. But here's the crucial part: immediately after pressing the shoot button, you need to gently guide your left analog stick in the direction you want the ball to curve. Think of it as a subtle nudge, not a hard push. You want to aim slightly inside the post, letting the curve do the rest. The best time to use a finesse shot is when your player is on their stronger foot and you have a little bit of space. Don't try to force it through a crowd of defenders. Look for angles outside the penalty box or when you've cut inside from the wing. Now, paying attention to player traits is also key. Players with a finesse shot or finesse shot plus trap playoff will have a significantly higher chance of success. You can check these in their player information screen. Practice makes perfect. Head into the training arena or squad battles. Experiment with different player strengths and angles. You'll start to feel the timing and the subtle adjustments needed for that perfect curl. Master this, and you'll be adding a whole new dimension to your FC24 attacking game.